So we already discussed the meaning, characteristics, then the partnership deed. Now from today we start numerical question. So before the numerical question, I explain the format of partnership. So first you note down the heading, format of partnership. So we already discussed in previous class what is the procedure of partnership accounting. So in real में first we prepare trading account, profit and loss account, then we prepare profit and loss appropriation account. But my dear student, in our questions, net profit and net loss already they given. It means we are not calculate net profit and net loss. That's why in this chapter we are not prepared trading and profit and loss account. But definitely in this chapter we prepare profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account. So first I start format of profit and loss appropriation account, and page number 2.11. This profit and loss appropriation account we prepare after the completion of profit and loss account. जब आपका प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट बन चुका होगा, जब आपने नेट प्रॉफिट एंड नेट लॉस कैलकुलेट कर लिया होगा, then we start preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. So first we discuss the format of profit and loss appropriation account. It's very simple. It's a nominal account. It's a nominal account, and you know the rule of nominal account. All the business expenses and losses we treated or we recorded in debit side, and all income and gain we recorded in credit side. So dear student, profit and loss appropriation account, it's a nominal account. That's why in debit side we recorded all business expenses and losses, and credit side all business income and gain. So first debit side, first we prepare particulars column, then amount column. So particular and amount, and the credit side particular and amount. So first we write the profit and loss appropriation account, then we write in bracket for the year ending. Definitely each partnership partners they prepare their account in the end of the year. So it's a format of profit and loss appropriation account. Then one more question, when if all the business expenses direct or indirect, all the business income direct and indirect we already recorded in profit and loss and trading account. जब हम all direct indirect expenses income losses we already treated and already recorded in trading and profit and loss account, then which entry we pass out in this profit and loss appropriation account? So it's very simple. First we evaluate our net profit. If suppose we earn net profit, so that net profit we recorded in appropriation account credit side by profit and loss account if net profit. So first, if suppose we earn net profit, we calculate net profit. So first that net profit we recorded in appropriation credit side by profit and loss account if net profit. But suppose if we earn net loss, if we earn net loss, in this situation net loss we recorded in debit side to profit and loss account if net loss. सो इट्स वेरी सिंपल, दोनों एक साथ पॉसिबल नहीं है, या तो नेट प्रॉफिट होगा या नेट लॉस होगा, राइट। इफ सपोज नेट प्रॉफिट है, then we treat it, then we record it in credit side. If suppose net loss है, then we record it debit side to profit and loss, net loss. Okay, so then फिर अभी हमने डिस्कशन किया था कि we already direct, indirect expenses, losses, we already recorded all the business expenses in trading and profit and loss account. So which expenses and income we treated or we recorded in profit and loss appropriation account? So I explained transaction between the firm and partner. Transaction between the firm and partners. So that transaction we recorded in profit and loss appropriation account. I repeat again, all the business expenses, direct or indirect, all the business income, direct or indirect, we treated or we recorded in trading and profit and loss account, but the transaction between the firm and partner, so that transaction we recorded in profit and loss appropriation account. First, which type of transaction between the partners and firm? So first point, interest on partners drawing. Suppose partners withdrew goods or cash from the firm as a personal use, so that is called drawing, and according to partnership deed, if partners decided the firm charge interest on partners drawing, on that situation, interest on partners drawing, it's a firm income, that's why they recorded in credit side of appropriation account, right? So basically, if we examine the format of profit and loss appropriation account, so in credit side we pass out only two entries. First is if suppose net profit, if suppose business firm earned net profit, so that net profit we recorded in credit side by profit and loss account. And second is interest on partners drawing. So interest on partners drawing, it's a firm income, that's why we treated, we recorded in credit side. So profit and loss appropriation credit side, only two entry we pass out. First is profit, net profit, then second is interest on drawing. Now the debit side. Debit side, if suppose firm allowed interest on partners' capital. If suppose partners decided, they already decided in partnership deed कि firm allowed interest on partners' capital. So it's the expenses of firm, that's why we recorded two interest on partners' capital as expenses in debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. The next point, if suppose firm allowed remuneration to the partner, remuneration, like example, we allowed salary to partners, so two partners salary. If suppose we allowed partners commission, then we recorded in debit side, so two partners commission. So dear student, debit side, transaction between the firm and partners. So first point is interest on partners capital, then second point is partners salary, partners commission, partners bonus. Then if suppose business created reserve, so that reserve we note down in debit side of appropriation account. So in debit side, basically if suppose net loss, then we recorded to profit and loss account. If suppose we allowed interest on capital, So to interest on partners capital, debit side. Then if suppose we allow any type of remuneration to the partners, like example salary, commission, so to partners salary, to partners commission. Okay, the next point is reserve. If suppose we create reserve, अगर हम reserve create करते हैं, so then this reserve we note down in debit side. Then definitely when we posted all the entries debit side and credit side according to nominal account, then we compare credit total and debit total. If suppose our profit and loss appropriation account credit total is exceed from the debit total, now the result is profit. This profit we transfer either to partners capital account or either to partners current account. It's depend on which method they used. Okay, so this profit we distributed to partners in their profit sharing ratio. But suppose our debit side exceed from the credit side, our debit side is exceed from the credit side, then it's called loss. So loss also we transfer either to partners capital or either to partners current account in their profit sharing ratio. Okay, so it's a format of profit and loss appropriation account. So in this transaction we recorded transaction between the firm and partners. Now the next point is very important. Now we discuss next point, rent paid or interest on loan paid. Rent paid and interest on loan paid. It's a very important, rent paid or interest on loan. Okay, so please listen carefully. It's a simply business expenses. It's a business charge. That's why rent paid and interest on firm loan, these two expenses were recorded in profit and loss account. So rent of business building or rent of business premises, interest on loan, it's a business expenses, it's a business charge. That's why this expenses were recorded in profit and loss account debit side. This expenses we have not recorded, we have not treated in profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, so first मेरी बात जरा ध्यान से सुनिएगा. Suppose हमने जो है बिल्डिंग किराए पे ली है, A and B are partners, A और B दो पार्टनर्स हैं और उन्होंने मिस्टर Z से बिल्डिंग किराए पे ली है. और डेफिनेटली जब हम बिल्डिंग रेंट पे लेंगे तो हम जो है रेंट बिल्डिंग का रेंट पे करेंगे. सो मिस्टर जेड इज आवर लैंडलॉर्ड. अब हम रेंट जो है चाहे लैंडलॉर्ड को पे करें और मे बी सपोज ए एंड बी आर पार्टनर्स और ए की बिल्डिंग है और ए की बिल्डिंग में वी मैनेज आवर बिजनेस. सो डेफिनेटली फर्म रेंट पेड टू ए पार्टनर. अब मेरी बात जरा ध्यान से सुनिएगा. चाहे रेंट बिल्डिंग का रेंट आप चाहे पार्टनर्स को पे करें, बिल्डिंग का रेंट आप चाहे लैंडलॉर्ड अदर देन पार्टनर्स को पे करें, इन बोथ द सिचुएशन दिस रेंट ऑफ बिल्डिंग और रेंट ऑफ प्रीमाइसेस कंपल्सरी वी रिकॉर्डेड इन डेबिट साइड ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. आप यहाँ कंफ्यूज मत होइएगा कि रेंट तो हम पार्टनर्स को पे कर रहे हैं, बट इट्स नॉट ए रेम्यूनरेशन. ये पार्टनर्स का रेम्यूनरेशन नहीं है. पार्टनर ने अपनी बिल्डिंग फर्म को यूज करने के लिए दी है, उसके अगेंस्ट हमें रेंट हम पे कर रहे हैं पार्टनर्स को. इट्स नॉट ए रेम्यूनरेशन, इट्स ए चार्ज ऑफ बिजनेस. दैट्स व्हाई रेंट पेड चाहे हम लैंडलॉर्ड को पे करें, चाहे रेंट पेड हम पार्टनर्स को पे करें, दिस एक्सपेंसेस वी रिकॉर्डेड इन डेबिट साइड ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज इंटरेस्ट ऑन बैंक लोन या इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन. Suppose our firm, our business, loan received from the bank. Definitely when we received loan from the financial institution, so we paid interest on loan. So if interest on loan we paid to bank, or if suppose firm received loan from the partners, so definitely when firm received loan from the partner, then interest paid to partners. In both the situation, interest on loan if we paid to bank or if we paid to partners, it is compulsory. This is a charge. This is a business expenses. That's why this expenses also be recorded in debit side of profit and loss account. Okay, so it's a very important, these two expenses, rent paid, if rent paid to other than partner or the partner, interest on bank loan or interest on loan if, हाँ बोलो क्या हो गया बेटा? एक मिनट, ओके चलिए, ठीक है, हमारी आवाज ओके चलिए देखिएगा. सो रेंट पेड इफ वी पेड रेंट टू लैंडलॉर्ड, if we paid rent to partners, interest on loan if we paid bank or financial institution or partners. In all the conditions, these two expenses compulsory we recorded in profit and loss account, not in profit and loss appropriation account. So it's very simple. Profit and loss appropriation account, first, if suppose we earn net profit, then net profit we recorded in credit side. If suppose interest on drawing we charge, so this interest on drawing we recorded in appropriation account. Then if suppose net loss, then we recorded in debit side. Interest on partners capital, debit side. Partners salary, partners commission. If suppose we create reserve, then the reserve recorded in debit side. Then very simple, we compare our debit side and credit side. Credit minus debit, now the result is profit. Okay, so it's a format of profit and loss appropriation account. बट ये दो चीज आप ध्यान रखिएगा, रेंट पेड एंड इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन इफ यू पेड पार्टनर, अगर आप इन पार्टनर्स को भी पे करोगे तो इट इज कंपल्सरी यू रिकॉर्डेड इन प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. ओके, सो नाउ प्लीज ओपन योर नेक्स्ट पेज, पेज नंबर 2.21, पेज नंबर 2.21. सो नाउ वी डिस्कस द फॉर्मेट ऑफ partners capital account, the format of partners capital account. Okay, so format of partners capital account. So dear student, according to Indian Partnership Act, in this act all the partners they prepare their कैपिटल अकाउंट एज पर टू मेथड. जरा ध्यान से सुनिएगा. एज पर इंडियन पार्टनरशिप एक्ट, पार्टनर्स प्रिपेयर देयर कैपिटल अकाउंट एज पर टू मेथड. फर्स्ट इज व्हेन द पार्टनर्स कैपिटल आर फिक्स्ड, व्हेन द पार्टनर्स कैपिटल आर फिक्स्ड, एंड द सेकंड मेथड इज when the partners capital are fluctuating. So what is the meaning of partners capital are fixed and what is the meaning of partners capital are fluctuating? So first we discuss about the fixed capital method. Fixed capital method. Fixed. It means in this method partners don't want to change in their capital amount. If suppose partners, they adopted the fixed capital method, it means partner they not want to change in their capital amount. अगर पार्टनर अपने कैपिटल अमाउंट में कोई भी चेंजेस एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते हैं, बिकॉज इन लास्ट ईयर आपने देखा होगा कि हम कैपिटल में we added net profit, in capital we deducted net loss and partners drawings. Okay, so profit, loss and drawings, this particular we recorded in capital account, and when this particular you recorded in capital account, so definitely your capital amount is fluctuated, right? But in this method, partners, they don't want to change their capital amount. That's why in this method we prepare two accounts. First is capital account and second is current account. So in this method, fixed capital method, partners, they are not change their capital amount. That's why in this method we prepare two accounts. First is capital account, then second is current account. Because in capital account only we recorded पार्टनर्स कैपिटल, दैट्स ऑल. कैपिटल अकाउंट में हम केवल कैपिटल को रिकॉर्ड करेंगे, दैट्स ऑल. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, दिस कैपिटल अकाउंट ओनली वी रिकॉर्डेड इन कैपिटल अकाउंट एंड फर्दर नेट प्रॉफिट, नेट लॉस एंड ड्रॉइंग्स, दिस particulars were recorded in current account. It's a method of fixed capital. If suppose partner they adopted fixed capital method, then in this method we prepare two account. First is capital account, then second is current account. In capital account we recorded only capital amount, that's all. Only capital amount, that's all. Then further, like example, net profit, net loss, drawings, remuneration, profit, all these things were treated or were recorded in current account. It's a method of fixed capital. So in fixed capital method we prepare two accounts. First is capital account, then second is current account. Now we discuss in this method, so please you note down. First method, fixed capital account. Fixed capital account, and please note down, in this method partners prepare two account. First is capital account, then second is current account. So now we discuss about the format of capital account and the format of current account. So now we discuss the format of capital account as per fixed method. As per fixed method. Okay. So we assume we have two partners. हम assume कर रहे हैं we have two partners A and B. So minimum two partners required and maximum is 50. So first we prepare. क्या हो गया? आ रही है आवाज? बेटा आवाज आ रही है क्या? हेलो? So it's a format of partners capital account. It's a debit side and it's a credit side. Okay. So it's a format of partners capital account. It's a format of partners capital account. So first we divided debit side and credit side. Left hand side is called debit side. Right hand side is called credit side. So in this question, in this format, we assume कि we have two partners. हम ये assume कर रहे हैं कि हमारे दो partners हैं A and B. So particulars A amount, B amount, particulars A amount and B amount. अब जरा ध्यान से सुनते चलेगा. Capital is a firm liability. Capital जो होती है वो firm की liability होती है. और जब कैपिटल फर्म की लायबिलिटी होती है तो हम डेफिनेटली लायबिलिटीज ओपनिंग बैलेंस विल रिकॉर्डेड इन क्रेडिट साइड. सो फर्स्ट सपोज फर्म बिजनेस इज ओल्ड. फर्म बिजनेस इज ओल्ड. अगर फर्म का बिजनेस ओल्ड है सो इन दिस कंडीशन फर्स्ट वी रिकॉर्डेड बाय बैलेंस brought down. We recorded by balance brought down. It's a opening balance of capital. So please you prepare this format and please you note down in credit side by balance brought down. In bracket you note down it's a opening balance of capital. It's a opening balance of capital. Okay. So suppose in our question opening balance of capital is given. So first we recorded in credit side by balance brought down. By balance brought down opening balance of capital. Okay. Now the next point is if suppose partners introduce additional capital. If suppose partners introduce additional capital, so that additional capital we recorded in credit side by cash or by bank. So dear student, if suppose opening balance of capital is given, then we record it as a by balance brought down. If suppose partners introduce additional capital, then by cash or by bank we record it. So please note down in bracket capital introduced. Capital introduced. Then the next point is if suppose, so dear student, when we prepare fixed method. So in fixed method, first we prepare partners capital account. In this account, in credit side, first we recorded the opening balance of partners capital by balance brought down. Then we recorded if suppose the partner introduced additional capital. So by cash or by bank. One more important thing. Suppose newly started business. Just A and B are partners. They started their partnership business and they introduced 5 lakh rupees and 10 lakh rupees as a capital. So in this situation, definitely opening balance तो होगा नहीं. So this entry we are not recorded by balance brought down. So we recorded directly by cash or by bank. Okay, so it's a fixed method. In this fixed method, in credit side, only two entries we pass out. First is opening capital, then second is if suppose partners introduce additional capital. Then in debit side, suppose partner withdrew their capital. It means suppose partner reduce their capital amount. In this condition, in this situation, we recorded in debit side, we pass out in debit side to cash or to bank. So यहाँ पे नोट डाउन कर लीजिए, if capital drawing. अब यहाँ पर कैपिटल ड्राइंग का मीनिंग समझिए, नॉट सिंपल ड्राइंग। मैं यहाँ पर डिस्कस कर रहा हूं इफ पार्टनर रिड्यूस देयर कैपिटल, इफ पार्टनर withdrew their capital from the firm. In this situation, to cash or to bank we recorded. Now the next, so simply 3 into 3 we pass out in fixed method. First, opening capital balance, by balance brought down. Then second, if suppose the partners introduce capital, additional capital or new capital, then by cash and by bank. And then if suppose partner withdrew their capital, they reduce their capital, then to cash or to bank. Now the next point is simply we total credit side and credit minus debit. Now the answer is balance of partners capital account, to balance that account. So it's a format of partners capital account as per the fixed capital method. So please note down this partners capital account format. Now the next we discuss in this method, the second point or second account is partners current account. The second point is partners current account. The same format again we prepare. Debit side particulars, A amount, B amount. Credit side particulars, A amount and B amount. Now the next heading is partners current account. So please note down the next heading is partners current